The FoodSaver FM2100 is one of the most recommended countertop vacuum sealers at the mid-range price point. This one can have for about $135. People mention it constantly when they're trying to figure out what to buy without breaking the bank. We've tested other FoodSaver models before, the handheld units, some of the older countertop versions. This FM2100 is positioned as one of the main value-focused countertop options. So we want to see if it actually delivers on what people are saying about it. Let's get into it, and welcome to the ShouldIt's Vacuum Sealer series. Hey everyone, my name is Matthew Lee and I'm here today with the FoodSaver FM2100. Okay, so as promised, we have a roll of vacuum bags here, which is 11 inches wide and 10 feet long. And in this package here, we will find all the other accessories, which should include a couple of pre-cut vacuum seal bags, which is here, a couple in large sizes and in smaller sizes. An accessory hose, you can use this with the accessory port here to basically vacuum food boxes, wine bottles, and so on. And of course, we have our standard user manual and some other paperworks. So here's the main countertop unit itself. This is a sleek, modern-looking sealer with a black finish and a relatively rounded design. So at the top, you have a couple of buttons. There's the food buttons that you can use to switch between dry and moist food. There's the seal button for operating and vac seal, as well as the power indicator. To the side, you have this the swivel here that you can use to either open or lock the lid. On the inside, you have this liquid catching bar, which is supposed to prevent liquid from the food that you're vacuum sealing from reaching the motor. And of course, there is the back cutter. This is one of the more prominent features of the vacuum sealer that you can use together with the 11-foot vacuum seal roll that we have earlier. And I'm going to remove the tape here. And here is the heat sealing strip that is going to seal the plastic bag shut after you've cut it. Okay, now I'm going to lock this lid, and at the bottom you will find the power cords and the cord grommet that you can use to save space and tuck the cords right in. One thing that I noticed is that unlike a lot of other models, the power cords here are not removable. So you cannot just like take it out and put the power cord somewhere. You have to put it inside this little nook here. When you first plug in the units, the lights won't turn on just yet. Don't worry, it's not a defect. You just have to take this lever here and then put it to the operate position. It's going to take a little bit of force, but once you do, the power button is going to light up, as well as the food mode. Now I have something else for you. I have a bag full of cornflakes here that I'm going to use to test exactly how well this vacuum sealer performs. And close the unit, put it to operate mode, and I'm going to use the dry food mode and press the vac seal button. The unit is currently sealing. And once the light turns off, you can bring the lever down and we have the finished product. Nice and tight. I'm not seeing any leak. I'd say it performs quite well. So what value does the FoodSaver FM2100 actually deliver? For $135, you're getting a beautiful, extremely well-designed countertop sealer with dual food mode settings, built-in roll storage and cutter, quality sealing strips, a 5-year warranty, and proven reliability from FoodSaver, a brand that's been in this space for decades. We've also tested a cheaper version, about $70 without a cutter bar, the FoodSaver VS0160. Their performance is mostly the same, but the using experience of this one is miles better. I especially like this operating lever here. The other one you have to press on the lid. The downsides, I'd say it's quite loud, bulky, and quite heavy. But if you want a reliable countertop sealer for everyday use, bulk meal prep, and saving monies on bags, this is genuinely one of the best values in the category. That wraps up our unboxing and first impressions of the FoodSaver FM2100 vacuum sealing system. In our full review coming soon, we'll test the sealer on various foods, measure actual savings on bag material over time, and compare its real-world performance to other budget-friendly countertop options. Search How Should It Test Vacuum Sealers if you want to see our full methodology. If you're interested in the FoodSaver FM2100, there's an Amazon link in the description. And if you want to see the full spectrum of vacuum sealers, check out our Should It Vacuum Sealer series playlist. Drop a comment if you've got experience with the FM2100 or if you have questions about countertop sealing. Let us know what you're sealing, whether the built-in roll cutter has saved you money, and how it's working in your kitchen. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and support ShouldIt's so we can keep delivering thorough, honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.